class?
Good morning, sir.
Alright, this is such a good class. So today we are going to start with a new poem. So this poem is by one of the most famous of the Romantic poets, the last of the Romantic poets, so to say, and the first to die. So do you know who is this poet?
John Keats.
Right, John Keats. So the poem that we are going to do today is called A Thing of Beauty. So let's do this. I'll read the first line, then you read the second line, then I'll read the third line, then you read the fourth line. No cheating, alright?
Yes, sir.
So, let's begin. A thing of beauty.
It's a joy forever.
Its loveliness increases.
It will never out in nothing rest.
Okay, very good. So let's read together. But still will keep
A bonfire for us.
and sleep
Full of sweet dreams.
and help.
And happy living.
Wow. So let's give ourselves a big round of applause. Alright. So let us continue. Therefore, on every morrow, of Florida to Buenos to the earth.